adopted. 599 get killed. There's over 4 million pit bulls that got killed last year in shelters. We are doing the wrong thing, people. We need to save this breed. It's not the dogs that vicious. Hercules is a living proof of that. It's the owner of the dog. Some people should not have pit bulls, just like they shouldn't have kids, or they shouldn't have a gun. Pit bulls do not kill people. Humans have trained the pit bulls. Why would you train a pit bull that's this strong and powerful to be vicious? You're training this dog to kill. Don't train it to be a guard dog. Train it to be your right-hand man. And maybe he might protect you, but at least you have a good dog. You want a guard dog, get a Rottweiler German Shepherd, okay? You want a dog that's going to kill something, then you need to be killed. I'm sorry, but that's the way I do. I don't care. I say what's on my mind, right? We need to keep on talking to our councilmen, the people in the government. We need to start having felonies for people dogfighting, because it's getting ridiculous. How many people know who Michael Vick is? How many people like Michael Vick? Well, okay. If you do raise your hand, you're going to get a size 3 right up here. But you know what? Oh, why you laugh at size 3? You're Mr. 2, okay? Thank you. The only fucking...